Hello everyone, this is Curtis with Rock Lawn Care. Hey, today is Friday and I'm out trying to get it again. I'm trying to get these lawns taken care of. Oh man, I have been busy out. I tell you, the phone won't stop, which is a good thing. But I run into some problems. Customer, well, I try to put them on the schedule. Normally when a customer call, I tell them, I say, hey, I'm booked for the day. I can do it tomorrow. So I put them on the schedule for tomorrow, show up, the lawn's already mowed. They could have had the decency to call me back or text me and say, well, hey, I got someone else to do it. But no, instead of me wasting my time, I'm thinking that, okay, it's on the go. Oh boy, that really gets me, I tell you, because, I'm losing time to drive over there and to take care of the property. They the one was in a rush and needed it. Well, I didn't do it. But anyway, I got a lot of good, loyal, faithful customers for years I've been taking care of. They don't do me like that. But some of these new ones, I get kind of scared of. But anyway, y'all, let me give you a quick view of this one because I got to hop in here and get this one taken care of because I got to go to another one. Let's take a look at it. Okay, this one right here, it's a regular one. So it's got a few leaves on it. So I'm going to see about getting all those all cleaned up and all. As you can see right here. So let me see if I can hop in here and get this all cleaned up, get all these leaves up in here, make it look good. Yeah, I ain't gonna waste no time. I gotta keep moving, y'all. Stay tuned. All right, guys, I just finished up this here property, front and back, mowed it, edged it, and had a lot of light leaves in there. Oh, they were embedded, and so I had to really get in there and just try to work all those leaves out of there. But let's take a look at it. Okay, this here's the way it looks after just mowing everything and trying to get all those leaves out of there. So got it, the front of it, and got the back. So took quite a bit of time. So got that, and I removed. It had a bush up in the front and 2 bushes I had to dig out, get out of there. So I got them out, and she wanted to, well, she's gonna get some plants that she wanted, and I'll come back and put those in for her. But yeah, got that up, y'all. So I'm gonna see if I can blow it off a little bit more here and get out of here. So just sharing that little bit with y'all. I gotta keep pushing. I'm way behind right now. Okay. Y'all stay tuned. Okay guys, I just showed up at another property, and this one here got some more leaves, and I'm gonna see if I can get them all up. It's a lot of them, so it's gonna take some time. On this, we're just looking at the front, so I'm gonna jump in here and see if I can get this here all cleaned up. It's gonna take me a while, front and back, so I'm pushing for time again. So that's what I'm working on. So I'm gonna see if I can just jump in here and get busy on this. So just stay tuned, y'all. I'll try to give you an after view of it. Okay guys, I just finished up this property. Night caught me. I got the back. Oh, it had a lot of leaves in there, a lot of debris, but I managed to get it all taken care of. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's nighttime now, but this is, if I could give you a view of it, this here's the way it looks after getting all the leaves up, and just getting all these leaves up over here on this side and in the back. Here's a big backyard back there, so it had a lot of leaves back there, but I managed to get all of that cleaned up. I don't know if y'all can still see the way the front looks. I got it all cleaned up, and it was a lot of overgrowth on the front, but I was able to get that all cleaned up. As you can see right here, it's dark though. A lot of traffic here. It's a Friday night, so still got a lot of people working. There's a tractor over there coming, but I'm finna get out of here, y'all. It's been a long day. I mean, it's a long day, but I managed to get some lawns done. It was rather tough, but I got it. Yeah, I managed to get this one here all done. Got a big day tomorrow, Saturday. God. Oh, I wanted to say that, yeah, customer came out and was very pleased, and wanted to get on a schedule. You know, they just moved here from somewhere, and you know, I get a lot of calls from new customers. I mean, it's a lot of people moving in from different areas all over, and I've been picking up a lot of new lawns. And what can I say? It's been good, and I'm just busy now more than ever. Just thinking about it. But it gets that way every year. It gets that way every year, you know, every year around this time. And then I got some of my old customers. Well, they come every year, you know. They come every year, you know. It's like, hey, Curtis, want to get back on the schedule. It's that time. So, you know, I try to put everybody back on schedule that want to come out. You know, they want me to come out and take care of their lawns and all. So I try to do that. But yeah, I'm kind of tired here. I'm finna take it on home, and I'd like to say I hope everyone out there, y'all have a good weekend. Well, it's Friday night, so I'll have a good Saturday and Sunday, and be ready to grind again on Monday. Now, I gotta go out tomorrow, and I gotta go look at my list tonight and see if I can put one together. But it is, I get into these panic modes, you know, of people start calling all at once, and oof. But you know, I learned something today. I'm start telling people, I'm like, hey, if you're really serious about lawn care, you know, just tell me that you want to get your lawn done. We can schedule it, but please call me. No more of this, you know, right away. Normally I always tell them it's gonna be the next day. Then the next day, they been got somebody else. I'm like, man, forget that crap. Anyway, y'all, I'm tired. I gotta go, and that's what I'm finna do. I was just sitting here talking to y'all, but I'm finna go. Let me see what's the temperature like. It's 82 out here, so I'm finna go. I'm just sweating a little bit. But anyway, I gotta go, y'all. Take care. Bye.